the intricate tapestry of human personalities, there exists a rare and enigmatic archetype that leaves both men and women intrigued and captivated. The Sigma male. Unlike the more commonly discussed alpha and beta males, Sigma males possess a unique charm and allure that sets them apart in the realm of attraction and intrigue. While alpha males command attention through dominance and assertiveness, and beta males seek validation through conformity and support, Sigma males carve their path with an elusive charm, intellect, and independence that drive women wild. Diverging from the conventional norms of masculinity, Sigma males navigate the complexities of human interaction with a fascinating blend of mystery and authenticity. Their demeanor is characterized by a fearless honesty, a sharp intellect, and a captivating aura that leaves a lasting impression on those fortunate enough to encounter them. Today, we delve into the captivating world of Sigma males, uncovering 8 mysterious traits that ignite intrigue and fascination in the hearts of women. 1. Elusive Charm. In a world where conformity often reigns supreme, Sigma males stand apart with their elusive charm. Unlike their counterparts, they don't bend over backward to fit societal molds. Instead, they exude an enigmatic allure, effortlessly drawing women in like moths to a flame. Their refusal to conform to the mainstream narrative leaves an air of mystery lingering around them, a tantalizing invitation for those curious enough to seek deeper. Women find themselves irresistibly intrigued by Sigma's unapologetic authenticity, longing to peel back the layers of intrigue and uncover the hidden depths within. It's this elusive charm, this refusal to be defined by societal expectations, that makes Sigma males so undeniably captivating. They are the enigmas of the modern world, inviting adventurous souls who dare to venture beyond the ordinary. 2. Unapologetic Critique. Sigma males possess an unyielding commitment to authenticity, fearlessly expressing their opinions and criticisms, regardless of societal expectations. This bold honesty, tinged with integrity, sets them apart in a world often veiled by politeness and conformity. When it comes to interactions with women, Sigma males don't shy away from calling out inappropriate behavior or inconsistencies, sparking both intrigue and admiration. This unabashed approach not only commands respect, but also ignites a primal attraction in women, drawn to the confidence and strength of character displayed. The willingness to challenge societal norms and confront discomfort with unwavering honesty creates a magnetic allure, leaving women captivated by the depth and authenticity of the Sigma male's opinions. 3. Push and pull dynamics. In the intricate dance of attraction, Sigma males wield a powerful tool: push and pull dynamics. With finesse and precision, they orchestrate a captivating rhythm that leaves women spellbound. Like a skilled musician, a Sigma male knows when to lean in with genuine interest, captivating attention and sparking curiosity. Yet, just as swiftly, they withdraw, leaving a lingering hunger for more. This subtle interplay of engagement and retreat stirs a primal longing within women, igniting a flame of desire that burns brighter with each interaction. It's the mystery of the unknown, the thrill of the chase, that sends shivers down the spine and pulses racing. In the ebb and flow of connection, Sigma males masterfully navigate the delicate balance between closeness and distance, keeping the allure alive and intensifying the intrigue until it becomes an irresistible force that draws women deeper into their orbit. 4. Sharp intellect. Whether delving into philosophy, unraveling the mysteries of science, or dissecting the intricacies of art, Sigma males effortlessly navigate the realms of intellect with finesse and elegance. Their insightful perspectives breathe life into discussions, igniting sparks of curiosity and fascination in the minds of women fortunate enough to engage with them. It's not merely the depth of their intellect that attracts attention, but the manner in which they wield it. A blend of confidence, humility, and a genuine thirst for knowledge that leaves women spellbound. Not only is the knowledge of a Sigma male attractive, but so is the way he shares it with others, creating a mental tapestry that draws women to delve into their thoughts with him. This intellectual connection serves as a potent stimulant, kindling flames of attraction fueled by a shared pursuit of enlightenment and understanding. For women drawn to the cerebral, the Sigma male's sharp intellect is not just captivating, It's irresistibly intoxicating, forging a bond that transcends the superficial and delves into the profound depths of the human experience. 5. Intense eye contact. Unwavering eye contact is a powerful weapon that Sigma males use in the dance of conversation. It's not just a casual glance, it's a piercing gaze that delves into the depths of one's soul. With each lock of the eyes, they radiate an aura of confidence that speaks volumes without uttering a word. In this exchange, sincerity flows effortlessly, as if they're laying bare their true selves for the world to see. But it's more than just confidence. It's the promise of a profound connection that ignites a spark of intimacy. Women find themselves ensnared in this gaze, unable to look away, as if drawn into a hypnotic trance. It's in these moments of intense eye contact that the boundaries between two individuals blur and a sense of closeness blossoms. The subtle electricity that crackles in the air becomes palpable, stirring something primal within. For women, this unyielding stare isn't just captivating. It's downright attractive. It's a silent declaration of strength and fragility bound together. A silent invitation to explore the depths of passion and connection. 6. Independent spirit. The independent spirit of Sigma males is a magnetic force that sets them apart in the realm of attraction. Unlike their alpha and beta counterparts, Sigma males don't seek validation or approval from others. They confidently chart their own course in life. Their confidence and freedom create an aura of attraction and charm. There's something undeniably captivating about someone who is unapologetically themselves, someone who isn't swayed by societal expectations or the opinions of others. Women are irresistibly drawn to the authenticity and self-reliance of Sigma males, finding solace in their unwavering confidence and independence. It's this steadfast determination to remain true to oneself that ignites a fire within women, sparking a primal attraction that transcends the ordinary. In the presence of a Sigma male, women feel a sense of liberation and excitement, knowing that they are in the company of someone who is unafraid to walk their own path, wherever it may lead. 7. Mysterious aura. Sigma males exude a mysterious aura that invites women to delve deeper into their intriguing personalities, much like an attractive cloak. Unlike an open book, Sigma males keep parts of themselves shrouded in secrecy, sparking an insatiable curiosity in those who encounter them. This tantalizing air of mystery, coupled with their reserved appearance, creates an irresistible appeal that ignites a primal desire in women to unravel the layers beneath the surface. It's the thrill of the unknown, the allure of the forbidden, that tantalizes the senses and sends shivers down the spine. Women find themselves drawn to the challenge of unlocking the secrets hidden within the Sigma male's intricate psyche, their minds consumed with fantasies of uncovering the hidden truths and relishing the thrill of discovery. In this dance of seduction, the mysterious aura of Sigma males becomes a potent drug, fueling the flames of desire and leaving women intoxicated with excitement. 8. Intense focus on women's lifestyle decisions. Sigma males are notable in the complex dance of relationships because of their deep attention to the lifestyle choices made by women. Unlike their counterparts, they don't merely nod along with a woman's choices. They engage with a genuine curiosity that borders on fascination. Sigma males possess a rare ability to question and challenge without coming across as overbearing or arrogant. Instead, their inquiries stem from a sincere desire to understand the deeper motivations and aspirations driving a woman's actions. This level of engagement sparks an electric connection, igniting a flame of attraction that transcends the superficial. Women find themselves drawn to the Sigma male's genuine interest in their lives, feeling valued and understood in a way that resonates deeply. It's this unique blend of intellect, authenticity, and genuine curiosity that sets Sigma males apart and leaves women irresistibly captivated, their hearts and minds ignited by the attraction of meaningful connection. In summary, the mysterious Sigma man proves to be an intriguing mystic in the field of relationships, providing a novel twist on established stereotypes. Those who come into contact with Sigma males are captivated by their enigmatic allure, keen intellect, and fearless honesty. Whether engaging in intense eye contact, mastering the push and pull dynamics, or delving into the intricacies of women's lifestyle decisions, Sigma males navigate the complexities of human interaction with finesse and authenticity. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.